It's called the success formula without missing an S. But it's an acronym for what they mean or what elements make a successful video. Okay? First, one of the simplest videos I've seen. Doesn't have any sound. That's it. And it got 9 million views.
When it comes to home loans, sa biggest bank, kailangan mo lang sa liban. Tama na rin ang aking. Hindi rin naman nabilis. Kayo na rin. Yan. Kasi simple lang ang home loan sa BS Bank. Sobrang bilis na. May prime rebate pa. If you pay in excess or in advance, guaranteed may rebate ka. The best, diba? Yan ang BS Bank.
So, that's a simple idea of how to work with simplicity. Remove all the fluff. You remove the sounds, remove the nice colors. Just focus on the message you have. What's your actual message? And that's how they did. They just focus on the message. We just have an auto loan that's simple, and we give you a prime rebate. You pay advance. But very simple, and yet the point still sticks. I mean, how do you do that? How do you make simple ideas? How that go about doing that? Let's do a quiz, a short exercise. Look at these letters, this bunch of letters, and I'll give you 30 seconds to try to memorize without writing. Not writing. Try to memorize these letters. Okay, so that's very good. Now, some of you had made a technique to remember. Some of you made the technique to remember. Okay? And in fact, that is the right technique to remember. So if you chunk them together into useful chunks, it becomes easy to remember. Now do you remember? It was easier to remember, right? You just basically, let's go back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of, but individually or taken apart, you couldn't remember it. The point is, you can deliver a complex message. You can deliver a very complex message, like a set of letters, and make it simple by chunking it into familiar concepts, by chunking it into schemas that people are familiar with. So the more you're able to make it familiar to your user, the easier for them to remember. It was a complex set of letters. We put it into a familiar schema, and by doing that, we make it simple. So that's how you can simplify a complex idea. So how do you simplify your complex message? You attach it to something that people can relate to. An example is, some people don't know what a pomelo is. We know here in the Philippines. But in some in the Western countries, they don't know what a pomelo is. How would you describe to someone who's never seen a pomelo, what a pomelo is? How would you describe it? How would you say?
It's like a big orange. It's a big orange inside.
Okay. Anybody else?
The texture is like a big orange, but the taste is different.
So exactly how you make an analogy, right? That's how it's similar to the point earlier. You make it to something familiar today to them. They're familiar with oranges. You make it. It's like a big orange with thicker skin, thicker. So that complex. So for instance, if you're in your business, how do you communicate these vast features that you have, or the features or the services that you have? How do you communicate them into something simple? You make an analogy. You simplify it to something familiar to them. Make sense? Make sense? Okay. So that was our first letter, which is simple. Okay, the other thing is, when it is simple, it is easy to repeat. It is easy to just tell somebody. It's easy to tell somebody that pomelo is a big version of an orange. It's easy to tell somebody, hey, you remember that Old Spice commercial that goes, I'm on a horse. And people will remember it. Now you remember that. If people ask, oh, have you seen that Old Spice commercial, I'm on a horse? It's easy to remember. Here's another video on simplicity and repeatability.
Eto ang beat, sabay-sabay. Ito ang beat, bawal sabay. Pabilis ng pabilis. Pag mag-gets mo, mag-gets. Gets mo na, gets mo na. Coca-Cola. Nalilito, 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 nalilito. Coco-to, coco-to, coco-to. Oh, ano yan? Hindi na natin beat.
So, now if you search on YouTube and or you ask somebody, you remember that Kokoto? It's so simple, Kokoto. Kokoto, it means my Coke. This is my Coke. Kokoto. And it's simple that people remember it. It's simple, repeatable, and it became so popular that people were playing that game. Remember people? And there's even an instructional video. One of the videos here. This one. On how to do the moves. So that's being viral and being using video to spread your brand online. So simple is repeatable. Next.